Brief, accurate and important news of today's Sunday. Honorable Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, Acting Minister of Interior Affairs, met with university professors, scholars, tribal leaders and elders of Nangarhar Province. The head of the Supreme Court, Sheikh Abdul Hakim Haqqani, visited Nangarhar Province. During the visit, Honorable Haqqani met with the judicial and administration staff of the Arbitration Court, the Urban Civil Court, in the meeting hall of the Arbitration Court and directed them to their duties. In Pakti, the Afghani Promotion Appointed Committee says that nowadays the transaction in Afghani has increased in this province and foreign currency has been stopped. The National Standards Agency for the first time has returned 67 wagons of low-quality fuel to Uzbekistan at Hayatano Port. The Bank of Afghanistan confirmed to the financial and banking institution of the international community that the bank is committed to international laws and regulations and has complied better than ever before. Kabul municipality's official told the nation in the State Accountability Program, previous year 25 projects were implemented in road construction, during which a total of 82 kilometers of road were tarred and concreted. He also stated that during the previous year, 13 crossroads have been built beautifully. In Balkh, the Bakhtar vegetable oil factory started operating again after a decade. The local officials of Balkh say that this factory produces up to 6 tons of oil per day and around 60 people are working there.